Good morning, everybody. It's MJ with MJ Trades. I want to talk about DraftKings this morning. Um, Guys, it looks like a great setup. Coming off the retracement, you can see we made the big move in mid-May up to 45. Been a slow bleed retracement back to the 20-day moving average. Popped hard off the 20-day moving average. Huge gain, 13% on Monday. Guys, a continuation. After that huge run up, the 13% move off the 20-day moving average, you can see the retracement, the bull flag being set up right there. And then yesterday was a kind of a breakout day. We hit 42.75. You can see where the green candle popped outside of the formed wedge here. That's indicating that it's going higher, in my opinion. We didn't close above the resistance at 42.50, but we popped through it yesterday. To me, that's very bullish. You can see coming off the trend line, candle over candle. Guys, I think that's really bullish. You can see that in the RSI, it's under 80. Last time it got up to 85 on the big run up to 45. I look for something similar out of DraftKings on this next move up to 50. My calls are for July 17th. It's a speculative play, but I think that DraftKings is a winner and it's a runner. More news, a run up into sports, a Wall Street favorite. Everybody calling it a cult stock. Guys, I don't see going wrong with out of the money calls. Out in the time horizon, July, August is fantastic. I know there's a lot of implied volatility right now for DraftKings options. The implied volatility is high. They're expecting a big move coming out of DraftKings, especially with a run up into sports. Guys, DraftKings is a great play in my opinion right here. You're not going to see much of a more pure technical setup. A huge runner to 45, broke out of the trend line. Came back to the mean, held the 20-day moving average, broke back up into the range where you got 35 to 42 range here, where you got resistance and support. So that break of 42.50 was a big one yesterday because we broke out of that trend line. We didn't close above 42.50. Now we get to close above 42.50. We're back to 45 in no time next week, Monday, Tuesday, in my opinion. So once we get through 45, smooth sailing to 50. I would love to see DraftKings hit 52-ish around July 10th. I'm looking to start scaling out of my trade sometime around the 52-55 mark. I'm holding the 65 calls. I got them way out of the money for cheap. My cost basis is 0.32. Guys, this is a good trade. I'm looking to sell my calls at around $3. I'm not saying that's what you have to do or what you should do. That's just what I'm doing. I'm looking at everything as a bullish setup. I think the market indicators are bullish. Nice gap up today on the S&P. Looking for that China news. That was fantastic. Gave us a pop. That's going to give us the ability to take the next leg higher as these China-U.S. tensions ease. And DraftKings is just going to be a beneficiary of that. So, be smart, be wise. Maybe scoop up some cheap calls right here before we make this move up to 50. Again, a pure technical analysis play. Had the run up to 45, the retracement to the bottom of the trend. Bounced off the 20-day moving average. Now you've got off the retracement a little candle over candle action beginning. You can see the MACD trying to curl and confirm. Be a nice day if we can pop it up there, close above 42.75, close around 43 would be great. You'd have a nice MACD confirmation. You'll see a nice curl on the RSI, and we're going to head back up to 85 on the RSI in my opinion. I think we're getting a lot of shorts right here in this range. They're trying to keep it below 42. Bears are. They want to keep it inside this range, the 38 to 42 range. We got the break above the 42.50 yesterday, but we didn't hold it. Now we need to hold above the 42.50 and close above the 42.50 before we'll see a move back up to 45, in my opinion. So if we get a close above 42.50, I'm definitely a buyer all day. I started loading up on calls on Tuesday at the bottom of the range. So I'm looking for them to run this week, today, into next week, and the following week as well. So market conditions look good. Sentiment is high. DraftKings is going to be a good trade, guys, in my opinion, and that's why I'm playing it. So thank you.